All right, when you have really long gutter runs, when you look up and you see that you have really long gutter troughs and the downspouts are responsible for a long run, do what the guys did right here. You can see they have a 4-inch Y. They got a 3-inch line and a 3-inch line. When they merged together, they went into a 4-inch Y. Always look at the gutter trough that the downspout is responsible for. And you can see that these are carrying a lot of water. It's a lot of water, especially on this run right here. It's responsible for a lot of water. There's going to be quite a bit of water. We're merging 2 3-inch lines together by using a 4-inch Y. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. We got a 3 to 4. These are known as a 4 to 3 reducer. Beautiful job the guys did. Take it to a 4-inch Y. You merge these two together in a 4-inch Y. Then to get to the 4-inch main, another combo fitting, you have a Y with a 45 degree. Never use a T. The water just slams to a stop. This allows the water to flow in the direction of flow. Beautiful job.
If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.